Hello everyone, welcome back to CodeIsha Training Center. Today we are here learn about the Salesforce screen flow tutorial. Coming to the taking a simple scenario of the screen flow, creating a customer order form without any connecting Salesforce as objects. Okay, let's get into the slides. What we need to create this screen flow and how to follow the rules and is it any limitations or there are anything benefits. In this video you know about all queries. Okay, so first of all, before going to the say screen flow, so we know about our scenario, taking our scenario. Okay, so first of all we need to create capture the user input for an order. Okay, so, and then calculate the total price, like including item price and quantity. Okay, with taking the item price and quantity. Okay, and final one, we need to display a final message about that order name or order final price. Okay, so this is the our requirements to create the screen flow. Okay. So here the we need to follow these 6 steps to create our screen flow scenario. Okay. So first of all, we need to create a one screen flow, right? Then we can add first screen for order input. Okay. And then create a formula resource for price calculation. Okay. And then after that, we need to add a second screen to display final price message. Okay. And after that, connect the flow elements and then save and activate our flow and test it. Okay. So in this video, you know about these all things. Okay. So first of all, we need to create a screen flow, right? So see here the step one. So create a new flow. So where we need to go to create this flow. So first of all, we need to go setup menu and then search for flows and then select the click on the new flow button and then choose the screen flow and then create. Click on the create button. Okay. So this is the step one scenario, right? So give a minute. So I will open the Salesforce R. So right now we are at our Salesforce org, right? So now we need to search for screen flow, right? So here the quick find menu. So here the we need to search for flows. So see here the flows option, right? So click on that. Then after that, see here the flow trigger explorer and flow new flow, right? So we have two buttons on the flows user interface, right? So click on the new flow, right? So here the we need to select. We have two options. So here we need to select the start from the scratch. Okay. So by default it choose that one only. So we need to go that one. So select and see here the we have so many types like a screen flow, record trigger flow, and schedule trigger flow, and platform event trigger flow, and auto launch flow, and record trigger orchestration type. So we have so many types. So now we need to, as of now, our requirements. So we need to go with screen flow. Okay. So create. So see here the we are done this first step, right? So see This is the user interface flow builder. Okay. So now we need to go step two, right? So see here the step two. So in this step two, what we need to do? So first of all, add first screen, right? So for customer order input, right? So what we need to do? Drag a screen element and name it as customer order. Okay. So first of all, we need to this point. Okay. So see here the sorry. So see here the elements. We have the flow components and elements here. Okay. So first of all, we need to drag and the our flow builder screen. So just drag it and name it customer order input, right? So that is our label. Okay. And then what we need to do? Next one, we need to add two fields, right? So here the fields, here the we call it elements. Okay. So here the we call it elements. Okay. So first one, which field we need to, which data type we need to add text, right? So here the we need to search for text element, text component, sorry, text component. So here the input text component. Okay. So we need to give it name for that text component. Okay. So what we need to give order name, right? So here the order name. Okay. Automatically API names will come default. Okay. So I have to choose required checkbox because we need to know about the what customer needs like a order. Like customers need dosa, idli, or anything like a vada and something other any tiffin items they want need. We know about it, right? So for that we need to requirement must and should we need to require that name. Okay, and then what we need to do? So next one number. Because of why we need to choose this number element quantity, like how many quantities they need. Customers have one person need only one item, and another person need two types of tiffins or they need. So and one more person will come. They have to need like a three or four orders, right? So for that we need to use this number field as number field name called quantity. Okay, so drag that search for number component and see here our number component here. So just drag and drop on our flow builder and give it name as quantity. Okay, so here the quantity. So here the quantity. So quantity also need require because of we know about what like we know about the how many orders they need, right? So for that, I have to choose required this one also. Okay. So this is the simple two steps. Okay. So header, we don't need a header. So please left is there. Okay. We are done. Step two, right? So here the our step two is done, and now we need to move step three, right? So in the step three, we need to create add a formula resource for price calculation, right? So what we need to do, add this formula resource. So first of all, click a plus add resource, right? So and then choose the resource type of formula and then give it name as total price and the data types is number and decimals. Decimals nothing but like a lost zero zero. Okay, and here the formula. Okay, and then done, right? So see here the one note point is there. So we just assuming each item is 30 rupees. Okay, so just assuming that each item is 30 rupees. Okay. So some tiffin centers are only 30, 20 rupees or some hotels are only 25 rupees. So whatever they have price, they need to give it default here, okay, for calculate the quantities of orders, okay. So in this step three, we need to do add a formula field, right? So here the two step two is done, right? So just click on the done button, and then now we need to create the formula, right? So for that, so here the manager tab and click on the new resource button, and here the select the formula. Okay, so see here the formula. Why we use formula resource? A calculate value when the formula is used in the flow. So in our flow we are using formula, right? Because of we need to calculate the our orders. So here the mm, what we need to do, total price. API name is total price, and see here the data type, right? So I'm choosing the data type number. Okay. So here the decimals means like this, like a 10 rupees. Here the last decimals, right? So in the pricing calculations, must we need to decimals also. Like some item have 10.50 pies, and some item have 60 pies, like that. So in that, when we are going to the calculations, it will better to use the decimals also. Okay. So here the decimals, right? So now we need to add formula, right? So see here the our formula is 30 rupees. Each item 30 rupees, and quantities. How many quantities they need, like a customer they need, right? So yeah, I'm giving the 30 rupees. So I'm selecting the operator. So here the we need to select the multiply, right? And then we need to add customer quantity. Okay. So check these formula is whether it is right or wrong. Check the formula using the check syntax button. Okay. So see here the valid. So it shows valid. So if it is anything wrong is there, so it shows the error. Okay. Let's see how it shows the error. Right. So it is. See here the formal expression is invalid or syntax error, like something if anything you did that error specific, so it shows the here the error message. Okay. So the for that we need we have this checkbox check syntax. Okay. So formula also valid, right? So and then what we need to do, click on the done button. Okay. So here the our formula resource to calculate the quantities of price. Okay. So now we are done uh, step three, right? So now we need to move on the step four. So in that step four, what we need to do, add a screen, second screen for final price display. Okay, like a final price message display, right? So drag another screen element and give it name as final price, and then add a display text component. Okay, and then give it label name as price message. In that price message we need to show the some text message, right? So for that we need to use these text. Okay, so final price is this, we are adding that variable total price variable, and then like showing some message like pay at the service desk and thank you for your order name. Here the order name. Okay, so this is a simple message display on the uh, final. Okay, so coming to the flow builder screen. So here the we need to add one more screen, right? So just drag and drop on the our flow builder and give it name as final message. Okay, so this is the final message display, right? So now we need to search for text, sorry, display. display text component. Okay, so just drag and drop on the our Salesforce canvas. Sorry, our flow builder canvas. Okay, so here the give it name display message. Okay, so here the simple display message. Here right. So see here the text is there, right? Here the text, right? So this text on just sorry, take this all text, copy it, paste it here. So see here the text. Here the text message. Okay. So thank you. And where the error is there. So total price. So here the we need to add our variable name. Okay. Whatever we have. So final price, right? So search for that final price. Okay. So here the total price, right? So just click on that. So automatically it insert here. Okay. And then here the order name, right? So we need to search for order name. So click on the insert resource and search for order name. So here the order name and here the quantity, right? So what we need order name, right? Just click on that. So automatically insert here. Okay. So this is a simple message, right? So here the this thing. So we need to decorate it also like a like price we need bold. Okay, and we need to text color as violets. Okay, so just click on that and here the order name, right? So order name also I need on bold and the color is like I choose red color. Okay, so this is the simple. So it's look like this. Okay, so and coming we are done step 4, right? Yes, we are done successfully. We are completed step 4 also, right? So now we need to move on the step 5 and the 6, right? So for active and save and the active and the run, right? So here the click on the done button and what we need to on step 5 connect the flow, right? So connect the elements in this order, start and first start, and then after the customer order and the final price, right? So see here the we call it elements. Okay, this is we call it elements. Okay, we can call it these elements. Okay, so now we need to connect that one, right? So first of all, what we have customer order input, right? So just click on that circle and drag and drop it here. Okay. And then click on same circle and drag and drop here. Okay. So this is the simple connect the flow, right? So then next one, what we need to do, step 6, in that save and activate it, right? So see here the click on the save button. So here the simple customer order input. Okay. So we are give it name as this. We are give it this flow name as simple order simple customer order input, right? So click on the save. So now we need to run this flow. Is it any errors is there or is it coming successfully without any errors? Okay. So so just just click on the run button for test. Okay, so see here the I'm giving name it as order name dosa. So I need two plates. Okay, so just click on the next button. See here the final price, right? So pay at service desk and thank you for your order. Okay, so this is the simple screen flow. Okay. So 30 into, see here the, so, so 30 into 60, right? So see here the final price, 60. Okay. Mm-hmm. Sorry. So here the simple message about the order and order name and final price also. Okay. So if we need to add anything like here we can see here the simple customer order input, right? So if we need to add anything, some anything like that, like a show help text or anything, just we need to add here. So like each item is 30 rupees only. Okay, 30 rupees. So here the bold and the we need to add center and the color is green. Okay. So whatever we need, our text color and it is it if we need to add bold, italic, and underline. So whatever our requirements for decorations, we can add it here. The text colors are everything. Okay. So see just and save it and run it. Okay. We can't see that message, right? Okay, it shows here. Sorry. So if we need to add word, so we need add four quantities. So see here the 120 and it calculates the 30 into 4, 120, right? So here the order name. So this is a simple screen flow without any connecting S objects like Salesforce S object. Okay. So this is the simple flow of the screen flow, like a screen flow type. Okay. And if you need like mhm, 1 minute. So this flow is simple build without any connecting Salesforce as subjects, right? And next in next video we have to do uh, about the connecting Salesforce objects. So why we need to connect Salesforce object with screen flow? Okay, so we will explain the next video about all that. Okay, so uh, thank you everyone watching this video. So if you have any inquiries about the Salesforce, like including training, resume preparations, and anything mock interviews or anything like a placement assistance. And if you need course completion certificate also. So and including and the two job support and trailhead support as well, we are providing for you. So if anyone is interested to know about these all, so please contact us. Our mobile number is there, and if you connect on email also and website also. Okay. So I hope everyone finding something new about this video. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.